STHD8522H265 encoder is a professional high-end encoder for radio and television. Its chip can handle 4, 8, and 12 SDI channels or 4, 8, and 12 HDMI video as you need, supporting two optional encoding modes, H.265 and H.264. Three key characteristics. Save 75% bandwidth, only 1 megabit per second for full HD. H.265 can compress video files to about 50% the size of H.264, without significant loss in video quality. Encoding with highest compression format, B-frame, IBBP. HEVC H.265 encoder adopts Fujitsu chip, which offers stable bitrate with lower fluctuation compared with other encoding chips. So it provides smooth TS for modulators. Max resolution to 4K. It supports multiple HD resolutions and also supports some special requests. OSD. Support logo, caption and QR code insertion for local-made channels. It can be used for advertisement to add value services. Application. Based on the above characteristics of the device, it is suitable for satellite and terrestrial digital TV and long-distance transmission with limited network bandwidth or storage capacity. The high resolution of 4K can also meet the requirements of customers for picture quality. Let's install the 4K encoder. Step 1. Plug in the power supply. Step 2. Connect HDMI source. The signal source are from satellite decoder. Use HDMI cable to connect splitter. Then connect to the encoder. Step 3. Connect IP data port for output to get the IP streaming. Step 4. Connect NMS port for management. The other end of the network cable is connected to the computer or switch. Setting parameters through the web management. Thank you. Subscribe and we'll keep updated.